Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Monday, the 11th day of August 2025. After the attack that happened in Yelwata, I think that was one of the most grievous attacks in Yelwata that led to the death of over 200 persons, okay? The IGP of police came to Yelwata and promised them that such a thing will never happen in Yelwata again, especially under his watch. The people that I spoke with that time, I told them, don't believe IG, this attack will continue. I told them it's not because of whom you are, it's about what you know. I know the attack will continue because of what they want, because of the way the things is going in Nigeria. If you follow the trends and study what is going on, and also have information about the purpose of attack, because I used to tell people anything that is happening, ask why is it happening. If you don't know why something is happening, there is no need for you to start digging deep on how to solve the problem. You must know why something is happening. Now, after that, the chief of army staff CDS came. CDS said that on Ywata, that they will make sure that this thing will never happen again in Ywata. But for others places in Nigeria, that they have to fence Nigeria for the terrorist attack to stop. I told them, don't believe in CDS. The attack in Ywata will continue. The chief of army staff, he came, he said the same thing. I told them, don't believe this man. This attack is going to continue. Now, upon everything, I think these people still believe in them because the station, I saw that the station military close to Ywata, even in Ywata around there, the military presence was there. But amidst the military presence, the killing continues. And this is what is happening today, being Monday, 11th day of August 2025. Stay with me in this video. Let us analyze what is going on. All right, glad you are still watching up to this point. Before I will tell you anything, let us go into the article. Let us understand what Daily Post published that explains the whole video you are seeing that people are protesting today. As you have seen on the screen, the topic said that again many shot as gunmen hit Yelwata in Benue State. And this is the details of the article. Stay with me. Tension has gripped the Ywata community in Benue State after gunmen reportedly killed people in the early hours of Monday. Eyewitnesses said the renewed attack triggered a protest by local women who took to the street demanding that soldiers stationed in the area be withdrawn to their barrack. Let me explain this to you, okay? Because I know many people will not understand this. These people are protesting that the military around there should be stationed back to their barrack, that they don't need the military again. Do you people now see the template of the southeastern part of the country being played in Benue? Yes. In the southeast, every checking point, you will see military police. But every day you hear that unknown gunmen shoot here, unknown gunmen kidnap here, unknown gunmen. Who are these unknown gunmen? And why should they be operating in the presence of the military? That is the question. Why in the presence of military? Why should it happen in the presence of military? Why? So these women are saying that the military presence did not, solve the problem. It increases the problem. By the way, before I go forward, last time there was a man who made a video that accusing the military officer in his presence that he was hiding when the military officers were directing the terrorists to attack a church there. This is the country you are living in. This is Nigeria for you. Anytime I come out to tell you the truth about Nigeria, people hate me because they are too emotional to understand where we are at this present time. They are too emotional, not to understand that political regime change is not capable of solving this problem. Too emotional to understand that. Now, let us continue with the article. It reads that the aggrieved residents also called for immediate transportation to Makode, insisting they no longer feel safe in the community. They no longer feel safe in the community. They want to leave. And this is the sole intention of these terrorists. They want these people to leave their community. They will occupy it. I said this time with that number that Yelwata has been sold. This is trade by barter. Yelwata has been sold with other communities. If you ask me what are you talking about, what do you mean by a village has been sold? Now, let me take you back to 2014, 2015. About 10 times, listen to me, about 10 times, most top politicians in Nigeria came to national television. About 4 in Arise News, the other ones in Channels Television, in TVC News 1. And they claim that the importation we used to talk about, that AC and CPC, Tinubu part and Buhari part, when they joined together, that to take power from Jonathan, that they imported terrorists into the country. They didn't call them terrorists. They imported people to help them rig election. That is treasonable felony. On the national television, they have admitted to have done that. That is enough to cause a revolution, but nobody is talking about it. Now, where are they going to keep almost 3 million people, plus people that have joined them right from that time? Where are they going to keep them? They need to confide these people either to every state in the name of Ruga. Ruga did not work, so they have to use force to make sure they chase some people away from their ancestral land and let others occupy it. That is everything that is happening. Now, before you go further, go back to ask them, why do they import people into the country? If you can, be able to solve that puzzle, then we can talk about how the insecurity will stop. If you do not hold all these people who imported the terrorists accountable, forget everybody telling you that they will solve the security problem. They are joking. Bana Mohammed was so confident on a Channels Television interview. He said that yes, they are bringing in Fulani people, that they will spend money to change their culture when they enter Nigeria. Where do they want? Ask Bana Mohammed. These people, they are already in Nigeria. They came. Where are they? Where are they? You people should ask questions. Where are these terrorists? By the way, it is the same folks who want to put, someone in Aso Rock in 2027 that you think we solve the problem of Nigeria. Nigerians are so dumb. Most Nigerians are dumb. They don't think logically. People who imported terrorists into the country, the terrorists are killing everybody. They are still the one telling you that they want to put somebody again who will change the country. Hey, we are so enticed to celebrity news, this and that. Why you are losing your country? You have lost it. You have lost it totally. And everybody's afraid to talk. People die today. I told you people, Nigerians are on a death row. People wake up, they die today. They just died. They did not do anything. Their crime is that they are living in a geographical place called Nigeria. That is their crime. They woke up, they died. They died. And if you have told these people, let us talk the truth, they will say, no, Abego, I'm afraid. Oh, you are afraid till death. You died cowardly. Anyway, now, it continues that they should take us to Makurdi because the government cannot protect us. Our protesters, one protester said, okay, the attack is coming barely 2 months after gunmen believed to be herders on June 13 stormed the community and killed between 200 people, including internally displaced persons, with many born alive during a night of burial, night of brutal violence, okay? Now, this is the end of the article as published by Daily Post, okay? I'm reading the article for you so that you will understand, because this thing is happening today. Definitely, before people in Benue State can get the details, it will even be up to the evening. But thank God for the Daily Post who were able to publish it fast. All right, this is the end of the article. Come on, let me tell you people something. Any country that don't have security is not a nation. Terrorists are controlling so many parts of the country. They collect taxes so many parts of the country. And when I see Ukraine is not talking about election for years now. They have not done election, right? You know why? They are at war. But in Nigeria, not that Nigeria is only at war. Nigeria is losing territories to terrorists. Everybody is focusing on election and leaving what matters. As far as I'm concerned, I'm sorry to say this. There is no serious person that can change Nigeria on that ballot. No one. I mean it. No one. If we have serious people in Nigeria, the person should be able to lead a revolution, to counter all these things. People will believe that this person will be able to solve it. Come on, see, you are a president tomorrow cannot make army to take your command. I was not born in another place and brought into Nigeria. I was born and brought up in Nigeria. I have been seeing what is going on. Goodluck Jonathan is alive. Go and ask him. Military failed to take his order during Chibok sagas and all those things. Jonathan was putting on clothes, going to war fronts. What is going on? For him to see. So even though you become president, that does not mean military will obey you. Oh, you begin sack everybody, sack the whole military now. That is a problem of collusion. When Tiwa Danjuma said this, they invited him. When Tiwa Danjuma said that the military police are colluding with the armed bandits to kill the people, everybody say, Kundola Omi, who is the head of Defense Intelligence Agency, also came to the national television. He spit raw fire in 1 hour something interview on Chinese television. He was telling us that Nigeria is not sustainable. In his opinion, Nigeria should divide early now, before Nigeria will be Islamized. This is the head of Nigeria Defense Intelligence Agency saying this. What do I know, self? May the souls of those who pass on rest in peace. This is the time to fight for yourself.